guys, and just like that, we're almost halfway through with this course. All right, so we've been working on our pages. Now let's go ahead and switch over to working in assignments and keep painting this masterpiece of a Canvas course. All right, so first off, let's talk about the difference between a page and an assignment. All right, a page is used for you to give out information. It's for you to go ahead and record your lectures, to go ahead and find videos for the students to watch, put readings in there. But a page is whenever you're not expecting the student to turn anything in, right? You're just disseminating information. You're not wanting anything back from them. An assignment is when you do want something from the student. You want the student to turn something into you to show their knowledge of whatever you're teaching, right? So let's go ahead and talk about building assignments. So in this video, we're going to cover assignments and how to give students choice, give them agency when they submit their assignment, how to use the rich text editor, which you already know how to use pretty much, external tools for assignments, how to give kids choice, setting due dates, and other things. So let's go ahead and jump into Canvas. All right, so again, this time I'm going to be working in my assignment. So I'm going to click on my assignment placeholder, click on edit, and here I am in the assignment. Now, again, it looks a lot like the page editor, right? You have your rich text editor right here where you can go ahead and start typing in your stuff. Again, you have all your other tools. You can go into your Google Drive if you already have an assignment you want to put in here. So again, this is pretty much the same as what you've been working on in the page. But since this is an assignment, you're wanting something back from the students, right? So let's go into the settings for that. So if I scroll down, I'll get into the assignment settings. So first off, we have how many points is the assignment going to be worth. Go ahead and put however many points you want, maybe 100, 10, whatever you want. The assignment group. So maybe if you want to create a new group and have maybe homework and daily assignments, whatever, you can do it however you want. You can display the point as a grade or a percentage, however you want to do that. Again, the choice is yours. Let's go ahead and talk about submission type. This is the big one. Okay, so right now it says no submission, but if I click on the drop down arrow, here are my choices. I have online submission, submit it on paper, meaning they write it out and they give it to you in person, or using an external tool. So we're going to touch on the external tool and the online portion right now. So if I click on online, then the dialog box changes and it gives me some options. Okay, do I want it to be a text entry, meaning they type it out, a website URL, meaning they just put in a hyperlink going to somewhere, a media recording they want to upload, or a file upload that they want to upload. Now, the cool thing is that you're not limited to just one. Maybe I want to give them choice. Maybe they can type it out. Maybe they can record it if they want to. They can upload something, or they can give me a link to somewhere. Okay? If you can show through one of these options, then do it. I'm not going to limit you. So maybe if my prompt or if my lesson was something as simple as, how are you feeling today? So maybe if it was something as simple as that, they can come over here. They can write out how they're feeling. Maybe they can upload using the video recorder right here. They can record themselves, tell me how they're feeling. A website URL. Maybe there's a YouTube video that explains exactly how they're feeling and they want to link me to it. Again, I'm just giving the student options as far as how they want to turn in their work and show their learning. Okay, it's pretty cool. The other way is if I click over here, I can go down to external tool. From there, I can click on find, and I have a few external tools that I can use. So maybe I have an Edpuzzle video that I want them to watch. Maybe I want them to answer that question in a Flipgrid. I can click on Flipgrid, hit select, and now Flipgrid is how they're going to answer this question up here. So if I click on save, notice my assignment is, how are you feeling today? And now Flipgrid opened within Canvas, and they can come over here and they can record the response to the question of how are they feeling today using Flipgrid, all within Canvas. Okay, pretty cool. I'm going to come back over here to edit and show you the rest of the edit settings. So if I scroll down past the submission type, I have submission attempts. So do I want to give them more than one attempt to do the assignment? Go ahead and click on limited or unlimited. Then I have the assign to. So do I want to assign this to everyone? Do I want to assign it to certain people within my class? Do I have groups built within my class? Do I want to assign it to certain groups within the class? Again, you have options. And then below that is the due dates. So I can go ahead and put the date due on my calendar that I wanted the students to turn it in. And I can say that I want it to be able to be run from, so they have a beginning time and an end time, meaning they can't access the assignment before this date and they can't turn it in after this date. Okay, so again, for assignments, you have all the same rich text editor options as pages, but remember, give them options as far as how you want them to show their learning. For the submission type, again, give them options. And then you have all these settings for your assignment that you want to set. All right, so your job is to go to your school's Google slide deck, input information on a new slide, and read your coworker's slide